I found the secret hook formula that Alex Hormozi uses in every one of his videos to get crazy stupid retention rates. In fact, I spent the whole of last week studying and breaking down his content before I was able to put my finger on this secret hook formula. Which is why in this video I'm going to give you the only hook formula that Alex Hormozi uses in every one of the videos he makes. And to help you implement this secret hook formula faster, I made you a free worksheet that will guide you in scripting your hooks just like Alex Hormozi. The link is down below. So what I have on screen here is Alex Hormozi's hook formula broken down and 4 of his videos along with their transcripts. Let's start with H. The one sentence Alex Hormozi says in every one of his videos. Businesses making less than $10 million per year cannot afford to make this mistake. The last 3 businesses I founded and sold grew so fast it felt illegal. I am going to explain how to unfuck your business. 2 out of 3 businesses failed, and so that means within 10 years, if you were to look back at these business owners, 2 out of 3 are out of the game. So what he does with this section, which I like to call the headline statement, is 2 things. First thing he does is grab attention. He shocks the viewer. He tries to shock the viewer, right? And then he confirms the title of this video. For instance, look at this. Small businesses cannot afford to make this mistake. Businesses making less than $10 million per year cannot afford to make this mistake. So if you click on this video, probably a small business who doesn't want to make the mistake Alex Hormozi talks about. So he confirms that's what he's going to talk about in the video, in the first statement he does. Along with that, grabs your attention, he shocks you in some way. He does the same thing here. How to grow a business so fast in 2025 it feels illegal. The last 3 companies I founded and sold grew so fast it felt illegal. If you click on this video, you're probably expecting some secret sauce to grow your business really, really fast. So if you want to script your hooks like Alex Hormozi, the first line, the first statement, i.e. the headline statement, has to confirm the title, i.e. confirm the packaging of your video, and grab the viewer's attention. However, with this statement, he says 2 out of 3 businesses fail. So that means within 10 years, if you were to look back at these business owners, 2 out of 3 are out of the game. Here's the thing though. It doesn't directly confirm the title nor the thumbnail. However, what it does is like pique the viewer's attention. I mean, which is okay, but in most of Alex Hormozi's headline statements, he does confirm the title of this video and then also grabs the attention of the viewer. That's what he does. But in this case, he didn't confirm the title directly. But in the story sort of does confirm the title. So the next statement he makes is the C statement, i.e. the credibility statement, why you should listen to him, right? He tells you in the beginning of the video exactly why you should listen to him. For instance, look at this. And it's a problem that limited me and my ability to sell my company. But when I fixed it, I was able to sell it for $46.2 million. Alan got to $1.2 million per month at the end of the first year. Prestige Labs got to $1.5 million per month at the end of the first year. And Gym Launch got to over $2 million per month by the end of the first year. As you can see, he's telling you why you should listen to him. There are 6 problems that most businesses present with. I own a portfolio of companies at acquisition.com that do over $250 million a year. And I see business owners at our headquarters all the time, whether they are looking to invest in the business or they are just looking for help. And these 6 problems plague many businesses. Again, he's telling you why you should listen to him. Every business that I have started since 2016 still continues to make money to this day. So what Alex Hormozi is doing with this section, with this statement, with the credibility statement of his the credibility statement section of his hooks is sort of a light flex, i.e. why you should listen to him, right? Because think about it like this. So if you want to take investment advice or advice about generating generational wealth from somebody, you probably wouldn't take it from a homeless person. But if the homeless person told you they were CEO of a Fortune 500 company and they were pretending to be homeless, you probably would take their investment advice. I mean, of course, if it checks out and was true, you probably would take your investment advice. That's the same thing Alex Hormozi is doing here. And that's the same thing you should do in your videos. Because to the eyes of the viewer, you're a random person making YouTube videos. You have to let the viewer understand exactly why they should listen to you, which is very, very important. Or else you just look like a wannabe guru or some shit like that. the next section of Alex Hormozi's hook strategy is the value proposition or promise of the video. So look at this. There are 4 steps to solving this problem to avoid this calamity and lots of blood and death. I am going to show you the strongest growth levers I use to get these results so you can too. So in this video, I will show you how to solve them, the right path to take, and one example of a portfolio company that we actually walk this through. Here's how to make your business unstoppable. There's 3 steps. So the last section of the video, which is the promise statement or the value proposition, is exactly what you're going to give the viewer in this video. So for instance, in this video is going to give you the 4 steps to solve the problem he talks about here. Or in this video is promising you, or the value proposition of this video is giving you the growth levers that he used to get this crazy result here. Same thing goes for the rest. So to summarize, in order to script your videos, to script your hooks like Alex Hormozi, you need a headline statement, which is basically a statement that grabs the attention of your viewers and confirms the title of the video you're making. Credibility statement, a statement that tells the viewer exactly why they should listen to you. Remember the homeless person analogy I made you. And next thing after that is the value proposition statement or the promise statement. Exactly what you're going to get out of this video. So if you have any questions or you want access to this doc breaking down exactly what I talked about in this video, right? Just join my free WhatsApp group down below and ask for it and I'll send it to you. So if you're curious about how this hook formula looks like in an actual video that is not from Alex Hormozi, I use this exact hook formula for this video. So in the beginning of the video, I said I found the secret hook formula that Alex Hormozi used to get crazy stupid retention in every video he makes. And for the credibility statement, i.e. why you should listen to me, I said, in fact, I spent the whole of last week studying and breaking down his content before I was able to put my finger on the secret hook formula. And then for the value proposition or the promise statement, I said, which is why in this video, I'm going to give you the only hook formula that Alex Hormozi uses in every video he makes. And the rest is just a quick CTA for my WhatsApp group where you get this worksheet that will guide you in scripting your hooks just like Alex Hormozi. So if you want to join my free WhatsApp group down below and just ask for it.